Hey everyone, I'm the Chess Nerd, and today we're going to be unboxing a couple of rare boards that I got on eBay. And as a bonus, the owner told me that he would be sending me a free vintage book in the pack as I bought two of his boards. So let's get started. these aren't just any chessboards. These are Droo-key chessboards. All sets sold in the US were manufactured in Europe until the beginning of the 20th century. That is, before World War I hit, and all the supply of chess sets stopped. That's where the Droo-key company comes in. Droo-key company was founded in 1914 during World War I, when there was a shortage of chess sets. Droo-key Inc. was founded in Grand Rapids, Michigan, a place known for its woodturners, carvers, craftsmen, and woodworkers. Droo-key was finally sold off to the Carrom company in 1990, but this was after the company lasted 3 generations of William F. Droo-keys. They stopped selling these chessboards in 2009, 12 years ago, and that's a big reason why I bought these. I think these are a great investment in the future as these become more rare. The seller on eBay told me this one is from the 1950s, and this one with the gold-plated Droo-key stamp is probably from the 1980s. Back in the day, Droo-key used to sell 4 board sizes in 2 different wood combinations. They offered boards in white birch and walnut, and they also offered what I have here, 2 maple, which are the white squares, and walnut, which are the brown squares, boards. As you can see, they offered a 12-inch, a 15-inch, an 18-inch, and a 21-inch, and the biggest one, a 24 by 24-inch, a mega board. What I have here are 2 21-inch by 21-inch boards with 2-inch squares, allowing me to play with up to 4-inch tall kings. I bought both of these at the same time for $407 Canadian, shipping included, making this purchase worth $160 USD each, or 203 Canadian per board. Given their age and the scarcity of these boards, since they're stop in production, I see these boards 10xing in value in the next 10 to 20 years from now, which is a big statement. But yeah, this is why I bought these, and I'm glad I could share them to you. They're of great value to me, and I will share many games that I will be playing on these cherished boards. And yes, that will conclude the video for today. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing. Let me know if you liked it. Please comment, like, and share this post if you like. Please also subscribe. We're on the road to 1,000 subscribers to get monetized. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Have a beautiful day, and peace.